Good day, viewers. In this volume on this package, mathematical package, we will be looking at the solving problems from logarithmic equation. Yes, what is the logarithmic equation? It is those questions on logarithm that involves equation. Yes, those questions on logarithm and indices that is in equation format, in equation form. Yes, and you have two of it on the board from WAEC past questions. So if you're a WAEC student, stay tuned. Even if you are not, also watch so that you learn how to solve such a problem. And I'll take the question. Let me read it. Number one says, if log s to base 9 is equals to 1.5, find x. And number two says, given that log s to base 4 is equals to minus 3, find x. Write our solution as user. Write our solution as user. I want to start solving from the first one, so I carry it down. Log s to base 9 is equals to 1.5. That's number one question. I write it number one question. Okay, so what do? Anytime you are faced with problems like this, the first thing to do is to change from logarithm to indices. Change the equation from logarithm to indices. Watch how I do it. I'll forget about this log now. I'll write x is equals to 9, which is the base here now, 9 raised to power 1.5. Are you with me? Okay, having done this, I come again. I write s down is equals to, I want to put this 1.5 in the ordinary fraction and proper fraction. So I'll say 1.5 as need to be 15. I write 15. So let me write first of all, write the 9. I write 9, then come here and write 15 because it's 1.5. 15 over 1. Then I ask myself, after this decimal point, this 1.5, how many digits follows? Only 1. Therefore, I put 1 0 here. If it is 2 digits, I put 2 0. If it is 3, I put 2 0. That's how it works. Remember those primary school days, mathematics, that's it here. We continue. I carry down the x again, put equals to 9. I write the 9. Then I reduce this number. I reduce it by 5. 5 into 15 gives me 3. Into 10 gives me 2. So I have 3 over 2. So I write it here. 9 raised to power 3 over 2. No more 9 raised to power 15 over 10. We are progressing. Okay? I carry the s down again. That equals to, time to put this 9 in index form also. I'll put this 9 in index form, which means I'll write it like this. 9 is simply 3 times 3, which is 2 3. So I'll write 3, showing that 9 is 3 into 2. I'll still write this one, but I'll put this 9 in bracket because of this 2 here. So I'll put this one, 3 over 2, close the brackets, and I continue. What do I do next? I'm almost at the end. I've reached the end. I'll simply say, the main reason why I put this 9 in index form is for me to be able to cancel out. Yes, and having done that, I'll cancel out now. I will say 2 divides 2. 2 divides 2. Now, first of all, let me write the s. I carry down the s. Put equals to, write down the 3. Then I will say 2 cancels 2. What remains here is 3. I will put it here at the back of this. So what you have on the board is x is equals to 3 raised to power 3. And 3 raised to power 3 simply means 3 times, and it gives us 27. Let me write it here. X is equals to 3 raised to power 3, as I said here, is 27. So x is equals to 27. Answer. You understand? It's a very simple one. Let's solve the number 2 in this other side. Let's solve this side. Like this. And I will write it out. I write it out. Number 2 says log x to base 4. Log x to base 4 is equals to minus 3. Is equals to minus 3. Okay? What do we do? I said a solution. A solution. Let me carry the question down first. I carry down log x to base 4 is equals to minus 3. Minus 3. Then I'll start solution proper. I'll start solving proper. I will first of all, just as I did here, change log to indices. I'll forget about this log and I'll have something like this, just like we did here. X. By now you can be able to guess. You can guess. X is equals to what? 4. Check this one. 4 raised to power what? Minus 3. Can you see resemblance with the other one? Yes. There are similar questions. And what do I do again? This one is even simpler. X is equals to 4 raised to power minus 3. I can rewrite it in another way and it will become this minor, this bar, because it's by mathematics, become over. It means over. So it will be x is equals to 1 over 4 raised to power 3. This 1 over is because of this bar here. And having come so far, I'll simply write s is equals to 1 over 4 raised to power 3 simply means 4 times 4 times into 3 times, just like you get here. 3 times 3 into 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4 into 3 times. And that gives us 64. Press the calculator, you see it. So this 1 over 4 raised to power 3 become 1 over 64 finally. 1 over 64 finally. If I write it well, I'm going to write it well here. S, let me write it bold. X is equals to 1 over 64 finally. You can see, as I told you, it is a simple one. There are simple questions on logarithmic equations. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching. On this volume, we'll see more of this type of questions, logarithmic equation. Stay put, stay with us. At the end of this volume, I assure you, you will know, you will learn how to solve any types of logarithmic equation, any types of logarithm and indices questions that is in form of equations. Thank you for watching.